Good morning, Renu ma'am.
Good morning. Very good morning to all of you.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
Renu.
Good morning. Okay, children, as we were doing the revision also, and then we were starting the our regular topic. So, can you please remind me which was our last topic in the revision?
Chapter 1, expanded form.
Yes, expanded form. In that we have how to expand the number. So now, if expanded form is given to you, will you able to write the standard form or the short form of that number?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anna, sit properly and remove this whatever you are doing, please. And Granth, Jigar Singh, I request you to turn on the cameras and please sit in the class. Vedant Vaishnav, turn on your camera. You need the teacher has to give an individual reminder to the students. Okay.
Revision number 5.
Yes, Anna, you need to ask something. You have raised your hand.
No, ma'am, by mistake.
Okay. So now we will do the revision number 5 based on the standard form. So open it. So write today's date, which is 16 June. And write the revision number 5 and write C.W. Write the topic name standard form. Write the following in the standard form, means it is given in the expanded form. If you can see here with the this the way it is written, 20,000, 5,000, right?
We cannot see your screen.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, ma'am, we cannot see your screen.
Okay, wait a minute. I will do it again.
Ma'am, we have to write a revision 5, then chapter 1, and then standard form.
Hmm.
Write the standard form like this, ma'am.
Yeah, standard form is the topic. If you want to write the topic name, write the topic name.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please write this. 20,000, 5,695. This is given to you. Any of you need to write the short form of this number. Aradhya will tell me. Aradhya, how you will write it into the standard form?
Yes, ma'am. Uh,
Ma'am,
Hmm.
we have to take a new page or we have to continue
20,000.
Wait a minute, Aradhya. Vivan, I think this also I have explained you every day that whenever you are doing the
One.
new revision, new page.
Okay.
Every day. Keep it in mind whenever you are doing the new topic, new page. Okay, yes, Aradhya, give me the answer.
Yes. 20,000.
20,000. How I will write it into the numbers now, into the short form.
First write 20,
20,
comma,
comma,
5.
5. Children, don't, the way he is telling me, I am writing that way. You know the, if you know the answer, you write it in that way. 20, comma, 5, then,
Ma'am, do comma,
comma,
6.
6, then, tell me, what will come, Aradhya? Can you hear me all?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Aradhya, give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
After 6, what I will write? Okay, next child will tell me. Aradhya, this much time I will not able to give to
Ma'am,
each
can I
child.
sit? Ma'am,
No, no. Other child, I will call the child name. That child will give me the answer. Vedant, mute yourself, please, Vedant.
What, ma'am?
Mute yourself. Dhyan Patel. Dhyan Patel,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me how I will complete this?
Yes. 20,000
Hmm.
5,000
It is 20,500.
500.
Sorry, it is wrong. Now listen. Vedant, you give me the answer.
First we will like 20,000 in 20, comma 5, comma then 66 and 695.
Now check your answer. There is how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. And then it will be in the lakh.
Ma'am, I can tell, please.
May I tell Manya?
I can tell.
Rajveer, Rajveer Nakhre will tell me.
50.
Rajveer is giving me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Rajveer 50. First I will write 5.
Ma'am, it is Rajveer Lahoti.
No, I want Rajveer Nakhre to give me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am 2,
2,
5,
5,
comma
comma
6,
6,
9,
9,
5.
5. Is he correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you have to write it in this way: 25,695. 20,000 means 10,000 is the highest place value of this number. Mute yourself, please. Still, from tomorrow onwards, also, I will do like this. I will also sit in a crowded place and you will also listen some background voices and then I teach you. Will it be fine with you all?
No, ma'am.
So please follow some class rules. Okay, next child will give me the answer. Jigar Singh. Jigar Singh, can you tell me the
Yes.
next? Can you tell me
Yes,
this
ma'am.
one?
Yes, ma'am. 57,000,
So what will come first?
5 and 7,
Hmm.
then comma,
Hmm.
then
9.
9,
Hmm.
then 5,
Hmm.
9.
Yes. 57,959.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Thank you. Next child. Once you are done with the answer, once you are done with the answer, mute yourself, please. Please mute yourself. Children, whose mic is on?
Oh, sorry. Ma'am, Jagar. Ma'am, Jagar Singh.
Okay.
Ma'am, now can I try?
No, now wait. Wait, let me talk to you all first.
Ma'am, mine is on.
Children, I am also telling you, I will also
Ma'am,
tomorrow
teach.
onwards sit in a crowded place. You will also listen some background voices and then you let me know whether you are able to understand or not. Okay? Done? I will also do the same. You don't think when the teacher is explaining and teacher is doing something, it will be very difficult for the teacher to manage this. Again, someone mic is on. Without my permission, when I call the child name, that child mic only will be on. And if you have any serious query, then only your mic will be on. Aradhya, it's okay. Mute yourself now. Yes, next child will give me the answer. I will call the child name. Bhavya Sagar. Bhavya Sagar. Is he there in the class?
No, ma'am.
Okay, next child. Kevyan is there in the class?
Ma'am, Bhavya Sagar left the meeting.
Yes.
Kevyan, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, give me this answer C1.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me how I will write.
Okay, ma'am.
And Bhavya is saying.
Bhavya, mute yourself. Now Kevian will give me the answer. And Kevian, please start giving me the answer so that I can write here.
10,
10,
7,
comma 7,
3,
3,
no, 2,
2,
3,
3. Then I need to write something else.
no.
Okay, it's done. Say 10,723. Please copy it down, students. Is the screen clearly visible or should I do it little bold?
No, ma'am, it is clear.
Okay. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, you are writing.
Yes, I am writing.
You are writing in alphabet. Ma'am, you are
Yes,
writing in
yes.
words.
I know. I need to ask this question also. That's why I'm writing into the alphabets.
Ma'am, but
But
I,
ma'am,
ma'am, but I
you
have
need to
written
write
figures.
the fourth number was
Yes,
1,60,000 in numbers.
Do one thing. If you have done that one, you do that also and give the E number to this one. Both are the different sums. Do that also, no problem.
Okay.
What, ma'am?
If you have written the D one which was written previously here, do that sum also, no problem.
That means we have to write again D1.
No, you can write D, that give the D number that one, E number this one, F number this one, no problem. Those who have written that one which was written here, they can copy down and do that sum also, it is okay. This is your practice. If you do one sum extra, no problem. Clear?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes. Now it is given in the numbers. How you will write them in the expanded short form? Yes, who was saying can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Rajvi Nikhare.
Yes, Rajveer. Rajveer Nikhare is done. I want to give to Rajveer Lahoti now.
Yes, ma'am.
Rajveer Lahoti, this is given in the number name 7,100, 4 tens and the 9. So how you will write it into the short form?
7,
7,
comma,
comma,
1,
1,
4, 9.
4, 9. Is he correct, students?
Ma'am, we have to write in numbers or we have to write. Yes.
Oh, yes.
Yes, ma'am, is correct.
The sum which I have written right now on the number D, you have to, the way it is written here, same way you will write. जैसा ही given है यहाँ पर वैसा ही आप लिखोगे. Clear? But I am talking to the students.
Ma'am, can I say I have to write in numbers?
Yeah, you have to write in the words first and then write this.
Ma'am, can I see the last one is?
Which mantra?
Yes.
Yes, give me the answer.
5,20,000.
Give me one digit. How I will write?
5
Give-
lakh.
Okay. Then after 5, what I will write?
2.
2. Next, what I will write?
0,
0. Then next, what I will write?
3,
3. Then
2,
2. Then
9,
9. Will you tell me where I will put the comma?
between 5 and 2,
Between 5 and 2. Then next comma.
between 0 and 3,
Very good. Thank you. See, D1 I have given you to change that. Don't think only in the numbers it will come. It can come in the number names, and you need to see that this is the standard form because its plus sign is given and you need to write it into the standard form. It is given in the expanded form, plus sign is given. And you need to write it into the short form, which is also called standard form. तो दोनों तरीके से आपको आ सकता है. डोंट थिंक ये नंबर नेम में आ गया तो वी कैन नॉट राइट, वी विल नॉट एबल टू राइट, ये गलत है. नो, दिस इज ऑल्सो राइट. दिस वे ऑल्सो दे कैन आस्क यू दैट कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म और द शॉर्ट फॉर्म.
Ma'am, but I have written this number name, but in the D1 it was written 1,60,727.
So, but I have explained, you know, that was the extra sum. If you have done also, then also okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Yes, please go. Moksh, now you understood what I am trying to tell you. If you have done the one extra sum, then also okay. I have removed that because I want to explain you this type of sum also. So if you have written and solved that also, then you fine. No worry.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Do it fast.
Done.
Done, everyone?
ma'am, may I drink water?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, may I go to
Children, you are at your home. You keep on asking me in the running class for washroom and water. Very difficult for me. If you want to go, you can go. Don't ask in between.
Ma'am, may I drink water?
Just now I told don't ask in between the class. You can drink, you can go for washroom, but don't ask in between the class. Can I stop now? Children, can I stop?
Yes, ma'am.
You will get this revision in your revision folder. Please attach
Yes,
your work.
ma'am.
You will get this work in your revision folder. Please attach your work there in the revision. Okay. Now close this revision notebook and keep this aside. Let me take the attendance for a minute. And open your maths classwork notebook. Who will tell me what was our last topic we have done with the chapter related with the chapter number 2, long and short? Raise your virtual hand. Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Manya Dadawala, can you explain us what we what
We did the conversion of meter to centimeter.
after that
And
what
we
we,
added.
can everyone check the notebooks? What was our last topic?
Ma'am, the addition.
Addition of the meters and centimeters.
Ma'am,
Yes.
one.
Ma'am, this one.
Yes. Can you guess
Yes,
after
ma'am.
addition? After addition, what is necessary to learn?
Ma'am, subtraction of meter
Subtraction.
and centimeter.
Subtraction of meters and centimeters. Okay. So if you all are you all clear with the additions of meters and centimeters?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
all clear with the conversion of the meter and centimeter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we are going to learn the subtraction of the meters and centimeters. First, I will show you one video. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. I will explain the sums. Listen them
Yes, ma'am.
carefully. First is 520. Someone mic is on. Okay, thank you. First is 527 meters, 98 centimeters, and the second is 13 meters, 8 centimeters. So can you all notice here 8 is coming at the back, and before 8 the 0 is coming. We are not writing 8 and then we are not writing 0. If you write 8 first and then 0, it will become 80. Then your answer will be wrong. It is just an 8 centimeters. So before the 8 there should be a 0 coming, right? And it is compulsory to have 2 digits in the centimeters. When it will become 3 digits, तो obvious आपको पता है जब यहाँ पे 100 meters or more than 100 meters हो centimeters हो जाएगा, then it will be converted into the meters, right? हमने ये किया था. अगर suppose when you are adding them यहाँ पे 19 आ रहा है, that one will go in the carry forward. That we were doing. So only it is yes or no. Give me answer.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So always remember it is compulsory to have 2 digits in the centimeters. So now when you subtract 8 minus 8 is 0. 9 minus 0 is when you are subtracting from 9 and nothing, 0 is subtracting. It means the same number will come the answer. This is 90. 7 minus 3 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. And 5 minus 0, because you write 0 here. 5 minus 0 is 5. This sum is clear to you all?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Moving ahead with the next sum. Okay, this subtraction sum is given to you 39 meters 86 centimeters from 42 meter 9 centimeters. Always remember addition mein to you can write the smaller number also up and the bigger down, then also it will be okay. Then also it will be right. But in subtraction you keep a note of it that it is possible only from the bigger number you can subtract the smaller number. Clear? 10 minus 6 is possible. Is 6 minus 10 possible? 6 chocolates में से 10 को minus करोगे, will it be possible?
No, ma'am.
अगर आपके पास है ही 6 तो आप 10 students को तो नहीं दे सकते ना. Then it will be the difference. अगर आपको 1 देनी है chocolate 10 students को, then it will not be possible, right?
Yes.
Yes. That will be the another case which you will learn in the higher grades कि 10 6 में से 10 आप minus करोगे तो -4 आएगा. That will not applicable till grade 5. That you will learn 6 onwards कि minus में value कैसे निकलती है. पर यहाँ till 5th grade you should know, remember this कि बड़े में से ही छोटा minus कर पाओगे. From the bigger number only it is possible to subtract the smaller number. So which is the bigger number out of these two groups? 39 meter 86 centimeter or the 42 meter 9 centimeters?
42 meters.
Yes. And always remember 42 meter के साथ जो friend है 9 centimeter
42.
वही उसके सामने जाएगा. Okay? Who is the friend of 42 meters? Which number is the friend of 42 meters?
39. 36.
39.
I'm asking 42 meters का friend. Yes. 42 meters का friend centimeters में 9 है. Yes. So उसके सामने वही number जाएगा. So always remember this.
Ma'am.
Moksh, once I complete, then ask. Let me complete the question first. So 42 meters will go in the meters and 9 will go in the centimeters. Then you will note down 39 meters in the meters and 86 in the centimeters. Always remember 9 is at coming at the last place, and then you will write 0 here.
Excuse
Then
me, ma'am.
yes, Manya, can you explain
I
first?
have a question. I have a question.
Okay, ask.
Ma'am, I have done this 42 meter and in centimeter I have not written 9, I have written 88.
88.
86.
That is wrong. That is
86.
the reason I am telling you the many of the students make this mistake. वो देखते हैं कि सेंटीमीटर में भी हमें बड़ा ही ऊपर लिखना है. That will be wrong.
Okay,
Only
ma'am.
you
Thank
need to compare from the meters, not from the centimeters. Centimeters में तो उसका जो friend है वही उसके साथ जाएगा. Right?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
But only you need to see the bigger number from the meters, not from centimeters. If you are clear that 42 or 39 में से बड़ा क्या है, it's 42 is the bigger, so 42 will go in the meters, and 42 का friend है 9 centimeters will go in the centimeters. Then 39 will go in the meters, and 86 is the friend of 39 will go in the centimeters. So don't get confused that you are changing the centimeters also up and down. बड़ा देख के छोटा देख के, no. Always remember, you only compare the numbers from the meters, not from the centimeters, not from the smaller unit, only from the bigger unit. Am I clear till here? Because I have
Yes,
noticed in my classes when I teach to the students, most of the students make this mistake the way Manya has done. Many of the students make same mistake. What they do, they arrange the meters also according to which number is greater, and they arrange the centimeters also according to the greater number. No. So when you are subtracting, only arrange the meters according to the greater number. फिर meter के साथ जो उसका friend है, that only will go along with it. Always keep in mind. Centimeters को change नहीं करना है. If you know this basic rule, you will easily do it. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. Manya, now you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, when you subtract 9 minus 6, what will be 9 minus 6 is? 3.
And 2 meter.
0 minus 8 is not possible, so it will become 10 minus 8 is 2. Now
Yes.
this will become 1. 11 minus 9 is 2. This will become 3, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So the answer is 2 meters 23 centimeters.
Yes.
Am I clear with you all?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. I am going to present you my screen. Based on this subtraction, you will do 2 sums here in the class. Remaining sums will be your homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you all see the screen?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Oh, sorry.
No,
I
ma'am.
stopped. Yes, I stopped. Sorry. I will show you my worksheet based on today's topic. So 2 sums you will do in the class, and then remaining 6 sums you will do in the homework. If you are aware about the answers of these 2 sums, write it in the chat box also. Start doing. Can you all see this now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Please start doing. And give me the answers in the chat box.
You can do 5.
Ma'am, can I say in the chat box?
Yes. Tell the answer in the chat box. And Moksh and someone was asking in between before. So can you please ask what you were asking?
Ma'am, I was just telling the answer.
No, please take a note of this when the teacher is explaining. You need to wait.
This minus sign. There are only, then how many sums are there?
There are total 8 sums. 2 you will do in the classwork. Remaining sums will be your homework. Once you are done with the classwork, don't repeat that questions again. And please note here in the second one, 8 meter minus 3 meter 20 centimeters. So one group is only 8 meter, nothing in the centimeter. What you will write in the centimeter after 8? Opposite to 8?
0.
2 zeros. And then 3 meter will come under the 8, and 20 will go in the centimeters, and then you will subtract. Same here, 32 meters 61 centimeter will go, and when you subtract 27 will come under the meters, and 0.5 will go in the centimeters. I want to explain this also. Here from word is given, subtract 12 meter, fifth one. Can everyone see the fifth one?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am.
I want to send you this link in the chat box if you're still confused to scroll it down or up. So I can send you in the chat box so that you can open it in your desktop also and see. Because the same worksheet you will get in the classroom. Can you all click on the link?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can open it at your desktop and start doing. It is
Ma'am, we
visible?
can send one more time.
You can?
Send one more time.
What? A link? Okay. I will send one more time. The link is there in the chat box.
Madam, I send you. I have write in the chat box the first answer.
Okay. What is the first answer?
No, ma'am.
Aradhya is 33 meter 46 centimeters. Aradhya?
No, ma'am.
That is wrong. Children, can you open the? Will you able to open the link in your on your desktop also?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. We can open it.
Ma'am.
Yes, Vedant. Ask please.
And will you send this worksheet in classroom also?
I will send after the class, but now I'm sending the link in the chat box. You can open the link from the chat box. When you click on the link, no Vedant, you will able to open it on your
I
desktop.
know.
We all can.
But you can also send.
Yes, that definitely you will get it in after the class. At 12:30 you will receive this. So can I stop the presentation and I will ask the answers. Please write the answers in the chat box.
Ma'am, I have returned the answer of first.
Let me check. 5 meter 56 centimeters. Yes, right. Do the second
Thank
one also. I hope you all can able to enter in this link. Niva, Anne, Kevyan, Mantra, Danya, Nishwa, why your camera is off? Why your camera is
Ma'am,
off?
because we are entering the
Okay,
link.
okay.
Ma'am, because we
No
are
problem.
seeing right.
Okay,
Ma'am,
okay,
because
fine,
we
fine,
are seeing the screen.
fine. You can do 2 to 3 sums, as many as you can do till 12:20 you can do, and the remaining sums will be your homework. And write the answers. Once you are done with the answers, write it in the chat box. Can Tej Kumar tell me the answer number 3rd?
Yes, ma'am, I can tell.
Tej Kumar
Can
3rd.
send again.
Nishwa, where were you?
Ma'am, I am telling.
Nishwa, tell me where were you?
Ma'am, I am joined to remove na. Then I because I remove for that.
Who had removed you? No one has removed.
No, ma'am. I am going in the and I changed the name. It's delete.
Okay. Now I have uploaded. Please click.
Ma'am, answer is
Hmm.
2.
You are
કોઈની આ
giving.
મેં લખવાવાળું ટીચરને પાછું મોકલ્યું.
You are giving the answer of which one, Tej?
Ma'am, you said that third one.
Yeah, 3rd one. Have you completed the 3rd one?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
600 615. 615.
Your answer is wrong. First of all, why you are saying 600? If you are
Ma'am,
saying 615, then you will say the complete answer in the centimeters. But here is something in the meters and something in the centimeters. So you will give the separate answer 6 meters or this much centimeters. This way you give the answer, Tej Kumar.
6
Yes,
meters.
your
ma'am,
answer is wrong. Third one is wrong. Yes, Manya.
ma'am, I've done the second answer in the chat box.
Okay, let me check. 4 meter 80 centimeters. Yes. Please, the way the Manya is given the answers in the chat box, you need to write the answers in this way. How many meters and how many centimeters? You together cannot read the number that 480. It cannot be 480. If it is 480, then it will be 480 centimeter only. But from the upper, if you see all both the units are separated into meter and centimeter, then you give the 4 meter and 80 centimeter. Yes, Jigar Singh, I know. Okay.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the second one.
Same way you need to subtract, Vedant. If you have understood the subtraction, you can do in the same way.